In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a cookies alert in Blogger. Whether you're setting up a new blog or enhancing an existing one, having a cookie alert is crucial for transparency and compliance with regulations. So, let's get started and ensure your blog is both user-friendly and informative. First, you'll need to sign into your Blogger account. From there, select the specific blog you want to add the cookies alert to. Once you've selected your blog, head over to the Theme section. Now here's where it gets interesting. You'll see a little arrow next to Customize. Click on that arrow and then select Edit HTML. This is where all the magic happens. Now that you're in the HTML editor, we're going to add some code. Scroll down and find the closing tag. Just before this tag, you're going to paste a specific snippet of HTML. This code is the foundation of your cookie alert and will create a small banner that informs visitors about your use of cookies. The HTML you need is pretty straightforward. You'll start with an opening tag, include a brief message about cookies, and finish with a button that allows users to accept cookies. The button's functionality will be handled in a later step, but for now, make sure everything is placed correctly. Next, we're going to style this banner to make it look appealing and noticeable. For this, we'll be using a bit of CSS. You can place this CSS code either before the closing tag or in your custom CSS section if you've got one. The CSS will ensure that the banner is fixed at the bottom of the screen, spanning the entire width to capture attention. We've chosen a dark background with white text for high contrast. The button within the banner will also have its styles defined here, making it stand out with a blue background and rounded corners for that polished look. Moving on, we need to add some JavaScript to make the banner interactive. This code should be placed just below the HTML we added earlier, before the tag again. The JavaScript checks if a user has accepted cookies on a previous visit by storing this choice in their local storage. If they have, the banner will not be shown again. The script also defines the actions for the acceptance button, hiding the banner and recording the user's consent. It's crucial to check that each element is in the right place for everything to function smoothly. Finally, it's time to save your changes. Click Save in the top right corner of the HTML editor to ensure all your work is not lost. Once saved, head back to your blog's main page and visit it. You should see the newly added cookie banner appearing at the bottom of your blog. Try clicking the Accept button to see if the banner disappears, confirming that everything is working just as it should. And that's it. You've successfully added a cookies alert to your Blogger site. I hope this step-by-step guide was helpful and has made your blog more professional and compliant. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back for more tips and tutorials.